5 home exercises to recover leg strength after 50. Have you noticed your thighs shrinking, your knees aching more than they should, or your balance not being what it used to be? If that sounds familiar, walking 10,000 steps a day isn't enough to fix it. Without proper strengthening, weakness and imbalance can lead to falls, and even take away your independence. As doctors like to say, death begins in the legs. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 simple home exercises to recover your leg strength after 50. No gym, no fancy equipment. Just a few minutes a day. These moves target the muscles that weaken fastest with age. Your thighs, glutes, calves, and stabilizers. Let's begin with exercise 1. Standing calf raises. Stand tall near a wall or chair for support. Lift your heels slowly, rising onto your tiptoes as high as you can. Hold for 2 seconds. Then lower your heels with control. The secret is full range of motion. Don't bounce or rush it. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps, resting a minute between sets. Strong calves are crucial. They help pump blood back to your heart, prevent swelling in varicose veins, and improve balance, lowering your risk of falls by up to 30%. Exercise 2, Bulgarian Split Squat. Stand 1 step in front of a sturdy chair or low bench. Rest the top of 1 foot behind you and keep the other firmly on the ground. Now bend your front knee and lower your body until your thigh is parallel to the floor. Push to your front heel to rise again. This move works each leg individually. Perfect for correcting strength imbalances and improving knee and hip stability. Keep your chest tall, your front knee in line with your toes, and your core engaged. Start with 2 sets of 8 reps per leg. Then progress to 3 sets of 12 as you get stronger. Exercise 3, stationary march. Stand tall, engage your core, and begin marching in place. Lift 1 knee to hip height, lower it, then switch legs, like walking on the spot. Find a comfortable rhythm and breathe naturally. This exercise boosts circulation, burns calories, and strengthens your thighs, hips, and calves, all while being joint-friendly. Do 3 to 4 sets of 30 seconds to 1 minute each, resting 30 seconds in between. To make it harder, swing your arms or hold light weights. Exercise 4, isometric glute bridge. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Place your arms at your sides. Now, squeeze your glutes and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for about 20 seconds, keeping your glutes tight, like holding a coin between them. Then lower slowly and repeat. This strengthens your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, essential muscles for walking, posture, and reducing back pain. Start with 5 20-second holds, resting 30 seconds between each. As you improve, hold for 30 seconds or try lifting 1 leg for a challenge. Exercise 5, farmer's walk. Grab 2 equal weights, like water bottles, small bags of rice, or dumbbells if you have them. Stand tall, shoulders back, core tight, and walk 20 steps forward and 20 steps back. Keep your posture upright and your gaze forward. This simple movement builds your grip, strengthens your legs and core, and improves balance, all key to staying independent. Start light, focus on form, and increase the weight or distance gradually. Do 3 sets, resting 1 minute between rounds. Bonus exercise, wall squat. Lean your back against the wall, feet about a foot away, and slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, like sitting on an invisible chair. Hold for 30 seconds, keeping your knees aligned with your ankles. This exercise strengthens your thighs and glutes while being gentle on your joints. Perfect for beginners or anyone with knee issues. Rest for 90 seconds and repeat 3 times. Over time, aim to hold for up to 60 seconds. And here's a quick but powerful tip: creatine. It's not just for young bodybuilders. After 50, our bodies produce and store less creatine, leading to muscle loss and slow recovery. Supplementing 3 to 5 grams daily can improve strength, energy, and even brain health safely for healthy adults. Combine it with these 5 exercises. Stay consistent, and you'll rebuild leg strength, stability, and confidence in just weeks. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you, my friend. Check out my previous video for the hidden benefits of creatine after 50.